Get ready for a delicious treat on Sarap at Home, presented by San Marino Corn Tuna.
As you know. I'm sure. You got some chips?
Oh, thank
you. So
lovely.
Like, what's happening?
Like, someone called the show, it was this girl, and I thought it was this old woman, but later on in the show we found out it's really a guy.
I know. We get that all the time. It's so weird. We think it's like an old lady, and it turned out to be this young little boy. You guys, this is my neighbor and friend. This is DJ Mojo Jojo.
I know you guys. Hello.
Hi.
On the radio. I love it.
Hi. Nice to meet you. He's a chef. He is a chef.
Oh, really?
Yeah. No. I've actually read about him too. Yeah. Yes.
You know what? Hindi sana ako nag-chef. Gusto ko maging DJ. And may game na nga ako eh.
Ano?
Si Chef Palamba. Pwede ba yun? I can still have a show with you.
Kasi gutom na sila.
And gutom na rin naman ako. So,
of course, perfect.
Oh, sige. Alright.
Come on! This is your DJ moment.
Yes.
Galingan mo yan.
Sana masarapan talaga sila.
Kaya nga.
Ako ng tips. Wala akong makuha sa iyo.
Special. Hi! Ako pa na mukha mo.
Anyway, ito yung gagawin ko.
Ano?
San Marino Corn Tuna Fish Cakes with lemonade.
Devour this healthy, savory dish. San Marino Corn Tuna Fish Cakes with remoulade. All you need are these.
Let's add bell peppers para meron siyang flavor dun sa fish cakes mismo. So it's gonna add flavor and color.
Fish cakes are good for you, no?
Yeah. Very good.
So, kailangan pinong-pino yung ating pepper.
Sobrang fine, pero. And, gonna add half an onion. And spinach even.
So, as long as although yung meat is obviously, pwede na siya. So, sino yung favorite mong DJ nung bata ka pa at naging dream mo ang mag-DJ?
Si Trigger Man.
Oo naman. Top 20 at 12. Siya pala.
97.1.
Point 1.
Sa our San Marino Corn Tuna. Saan ba sa that?
Ang gusto ko talaga sa kanya is punong-puno.
Punong-puno yung lata.
Diba?
And it's full of flavor.
And it's healthy. Less oil, tapos it has omega-3 and DHA.
Healthy na, full of flavor pa.
Less oil.
Lots of
forget.
tuna.
Mix lang lahat. Add egg, then flour.
It's thick, pero it's still a little bit wet. So a little bit of breadcrumbs.
Palagi mo ko sinasabihan yan. Not too big. Relax.
Yeah.
Parang bilis lang ito
It's talaga. Very, very easy to make.
Coat the patties in breadcrumbs at prituhin. Then we make the remoulade. In a bowl, mix mayonnaise, capers, relish, mustard, lemon zest, and lemon juice. Haluin.
Okay. See your patties? Nice. See? Can you hear it?
The sizzle.
No, that's just a sizzle. I want to see this. But...
Oh.
Can you hear it? It's crispy on the outside, moist on the inside. Okay. Now your chopping block. And cut it to quarters para bite-sized pieces.
Natin ako, marami kang tips na makukuha ngayon. Totoo lang. Buti na lang San Marino corn tuna yung ginamit mo. You'll really find true love in San Marino corn tuna. At ang true love mo pag-DJ, well, after being a chef.
But if we can squeeze some of the juice, the lemon,
Sarap.
That's it. Gotta go. Excited na ako, kailangan na nila ako matulungan.
Baka mag-DJ ka na! Moment mo na to, ninyo!
Now, for our main course, we got our fish cakes.
Ang dali, di ba? Our San Marino corn tuna fish cakes with remoulade is ready.
Thank you.
And it looks so good.
Use your fingers up. Use your hands.
Oh my God. Let's see the light here. Hello. I'll do the honor. Yan. Okay.
How about the dish?
Yes. Oh, it looks so good. Look at the color. Actually, magkakamay na ako. Actually,
Galing. Pero don't forget, you have to give me tips.
Ayaw nga.
On being DJ. Okay, DJ. Tip number one, even though nasa radio ka, people can't see you, you have to really be energetic and feel it and smile. So, as you smile,
Oh, you're just doing that to see him smile. No, seriously, you have to have a lot of energy. And the thing is, even if it's not funny, you have to learn to laugh. For real. So, tell him,
dapat it doesn't sound plastic, dapat it sounds real.
Real.
Yeah. So, there's the joke. Good. Grace Lee is smart.
That's not a joke. That's true.
For a copy of the recipe, log on to wmn.ph.
Ito na yung the final test. Okay? Like what Mojo and Grace said, kailangan talaga energy, laging happy, ganyan. Tapos, lahat ng feelings na yun, parang naka-carry over. Kasi hindi ka nakikita ng tao. So, dapat feel na feel mo. Say, malasa ang San Marino corn tuna.
You have to do that my way.
Your way.
That's your way.
Your
Your twist. Malasang malasa ang San Marino corn tuna.
AM na AM. Okay. AM na AM. DJ ka rin na
Sarap at Home is made possible by San Marino corn tuna, San Marino chili corn tuna, CDO ham, CDO liver spread, CDO all-purpose mayo dressing. Sarap at Home would like to thank the following sponsors: Kitchen Appliances by GE and Invested, Cookware by Violetti, Kitchen Tools and Gadgets by GastroChef, Dining Set by Blim's Fine Furniture, Food Processor by KitchenAid, Robinson's Department Store, Tabletopware by Coach, Hulk, and Bestware, Home Furnishing and Kitchenware by Lark Intercommercial and Mirage, Rustan's Marketing Corporation, Maldita, Regatta, Formi, Carimadon, Black Sheep, Mental, Pen Shop, Colisiones C2, Analog Soul, Maldita Man, Apple and Eve.
They turned their backs on their past and found a new love in San Marino corn tuna. May sarap ng corned beef at sustansya ng tuna.
Less oil, lots of tuna.
I love it. Now that they've found it, they're never letting go of San Marino corn tuna. Find true love in San Marino.
Try it.
You've just enjoyed mouth-watering recipes on Set Up at Home, presented by San Marino Corn Tuna.